have a large butthole.
We didn't need to hear that, but we're gonna make slime.
You know we don't have any vlogs before.
What? Yes, I have. But I never posted it. You should have saw that. I just jammed on that. That's the slime. It's like so where's the teaspoon from this? Here's 1 teaspoon. Alright, so you add 1 teaspoon head and shoulders. Where's the head and shoulders? Tablespoons, head and shoulders. I think head and shoulders works best. I think any shampoo works. You dump everything there. You wanna know what the fun thing is? You mix them all. You add 2 of those. And then you need potato sauce. Corn? Well, water first, but potato starch afterwards. 1 tablespoon of water.
And then you have to look like me. Wait, I'm not done yet. God.
He's gay.
Okay. Okay.
We'll clean it.
Wait, let me see my hair. Is it okay? Your dad said hello.
And then, is that the water?
No. You have tiny towers too? I have that.
And then she added cornstarch. And you can add as much potato or cornstarch as you want. But potato starch is recommended. And then while you're mixing, you add like more Head and Shoulders and more stuff like that.
I'm on your story.
I don't care. And then you need...
You don't care?
Add more water.
No, I don't.
You need to add more water.
How many people are going to see that?
Add more water.
Oh, no.
I said it 20 times. And then you mix it. Keep mixing. Keep mixing.
How come the other one was so big?
More cornstarch.
Really, I think.
More potato starch. We're using potato, not cornstarch. Potato is highly recommended.
Yeah, because potato is like
Better. But cornstarch works.
I think we need you mixing this. Because you're the like good mixer here.
Here, more potato.
Yeah.
Just give a
I
big
want this batch.
teaspoon.
Can I have this batch?
Yeah. Just give a big thing of potato.
Oh
And then
yeah,
keep
here we
that
go.
going.
Because you want to add more potato. Then
I think it needs a little bit more water.
Okay.
And then you keep adding as you go.
Yeah.
Depending on how big you want it. We're just making a small batch because, you know.
And then you can keep adding, and then once it like gets like a mixture, until where it's not watery. Okay, well, with this, yeah, I'll keep mixing because that's what helps. Add a whole tablespoon. That's what helps it.
Just only no, that's way too much.
It's fine.
All right, that much. I have to keep mixing.
But then you gotta get your hands dirty.
Stop. Cripple. What? All right,
Stop making us
camera.
Hello, my name's Jonathan, and I love dinosaurs. Today, I play with the T-Rex.